Your problem statement. First, briefly describe the purpose or purposes towards which most of your efforts in life seem to be currently devoted. This could involve your work, your personal life, your relationships, and so on. Just think about what you seem to be investing the lion's share of your energy into these days. Number 2, briefly describe the first things that come to mind when you contemplate the purpose or purposes you feel drawn to fulfilling. Don't overthink it, just write. Number 3, list any behaviors, patterns, or circumstances in your life that seem to be out of alignment with the purposes you'd like to be devoting your energy to. What rubs you the wrong way, makes you feel out of step, or arouses negative feelings? Number 4, summarize your previous answers into a brief sentence or paragraph. Identify any purpose-related challenges or gaps in your life that you wish to overcome. This is your spiritual F.I.R.E.S problem statement.